Hope you are seeing my screen.
Yes.
This is the work of our last class. So I've connected already, and so this is where we stopped. This is where we stopped. So let me run everything. I'm running everything again. I'm running everything. Okay. So this is our data we are using. And we look at the describe and so this is where we stopped. And so I'm going to look at the df again. We go to df and a head of 5 dot head and of 5. So let me see our d head. So I'm running it to see it, then know what to do. So this is it, and now we are going to drop our column. So for us to drop column, I'm going to create df equal to df dot drop. I'm going to call the column. So do you see what I'm doing?
Yes.
So I'm dropping the column. So I think I want to drop the parental level of education. So I've dropped it, and now let's see our results. Df we use the drops to drop the column. So now we are going to drop our launch. So I'll say df is equal to df dot drop column. Then so I'm dropping this text, this launch. Hello,
Yeah, I'm here.
hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I've dropped the launch, and let's see it again. So this is our launch, and this is our data. This is how we clean the data, and it look nice and look presentable, right? The data
Yes.
is looking good, right?
Yes, yes.
So We are still working on it, and we are going to sort by their ethnicism, their race and ethnicism. We are going to sort by their race and ethnicism. So we are going to create a df again. Df equal to df dot sort by value. So we are going to sort by we are going to sort by ethnicity. So we have already sorted it, and when you see it, our data will look sorted and well organized. I hope you are seeing it.
Mm-hmm.
Starting from A, B to all the groups. I hope this is looking good. So now, since we have sorted it, we are going to bring out some parts which we are going to visualize, and also and then we are also going to work on this data to get the average, the grading. We are going to grade them. We are going to grade them by their average. And when we grade them by their average, average is the total number divided by the
My
um,
number.
economy, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So we are going to divide the math score. We are going to add the math score, reading score, and the writing score to give us our average. When we add it, we sum it. We'll create a column which all the sum will be, and we are going to also create the column which we are going to divide it. Okay,
Okay.
and so we are still working on it now. And okay, and now I want to see how many groups we have. I want to see how many groups. Now, for me to see how many groups we have, now I'm going to sort. Okay, now I'm going to sort it like this. I'm going to say df dot group by. We are grouping by. Then we are going to select a multiple column. We are going to say gender, comma. We are going to search for. We are going to search for the grade. No, no, no. We are going to sort by ethnicity only, and yeah, we are going to sort by ethnicity. Just leave it. I made mistake. I made mistake. So let's sort by ethnicity race. So let me copy this. So I'll use the size function to size it for us. The size method. Then I'll also attach the dot sort. Then I'm sorting the value to. So I will use the sort value. Then I will say ascending. When we say ascending through, eh? We are say ascending through, it will start from A to Z. When
It's
we are saying ascending first, It will start from Z to A. Okay. I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
So we are running it now. Is due to the space I created there, so it will not give us the results. So now look at it. Look at the groups that we have. We have three groups: A, B, and C. A, B, and C are the groups we have. A, B, and C. I think there is the group we have, and that is the group we have.
Group A we have
But
one. Group B we have two. Group C we have two. That's what it's showing down here. Group A one.
yes,
Group B two. Group C two.
yes. So, and I'm coming. I'm coming. We are sorting by ethnicity, the size, then the true. I really want to study this, what I've just done, because we have more than three groups. We have more than three groups. Okay. Now, if we sort by ethnicism, race, okay. Now, did you see what he did? He gave us the first five items. That's why he sorted it for us. Okay. Now I will use a head of, let's say a head of 100. You know, our work is 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
1,000, John. Our work is 1,000, so I'll use a head of 1,000 so that I'll see the total number of students. Okay. No, so I made mistake here. So we have to work with all our data. Okay, 1,000, and we are going to run it and see our results. So let me just remove this head. Let me run it like this, and let's see. It's not giving me all the datas. These are all our datas, right? These are all our datas.
Yes.
These are all our datas. So I want to reload this again. So I will remove the head of 5. I will reload it again. Okay. Now it was all our. Okay, good. So this is all our numbers, and it's loading. Our data is still loading. I guess it's network. Okay, now it's loading, and this is me removing the. Okay, now I'm going to also run this. After this has completed, I'll run this. I don't know why it's taking time to load. Let's see.
I believe maybe it's the network.
Yeah, it's network. Okay, now and we are sorting it now. And I will remove this head of 1000. Okay, and this. So now look at our total groups. I hope you have seen it now.
Hmm.
These are all our groups.
So wait, this one is arranged by what?
Ah,
This one is arranged by what?
hello. We arrange it by the ethnicity. Then the ethnicity column, the race column is the groups they belong.
Okay.
So I group them. Then I have to get their sizes. Their sizes. So we talk about size in our previous class. We talk about the total number, right? The total number of the datas. So in each columns, okay, in A we have the total number of 98. You understand?
Hmm.
I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm getting you.
Okay, now let's see. Let's do this. For example, let's create a sum. Now, let me sum everything. Okay, I'll copy this. I'll copy this. Let me put it on a separate column so that we will not alter our previous code. So let's see our sum. Now, let's do this. Now, we are going to say sum dot. We are going to say sum dot. We are going to sum it. Then when we sum it, it will give us a total number of on 1000. I hope you understand what I did.
I'm bit confused.
You're a bit confused. Okay. Now, where are you confused?
Like from the first sum that we have, like where group A is equals to 89. This is the sum numbers of all the
Okay.
ethnics, right? Ethnic groups.
Yes. Okay. Now, we have total number of 1000, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we have different group A, female A and male A's. No, we have, when we see the category completed, the test preparation, the number of female who completed belongs to A, the number of people who completed belongs to A and all. So we have more than 5 A's. I hope you understand. Now, it will count all the A's and give you the total number of A's.
Okay.
I hope you understand. And
Okay.
it will count the total number of B and give you the number of B. It will count the total number of E, it will give you the number of E. It will count the total number of D and it will give you the D. And its total number of C, it will give you the C groups. Now, these are all the groups, the numbers of each groups. Now we have 89 A's, group A, we have 140 group E, and we have 190 group B. I hope you understand what I did here.
Okay. Yeah. Now I understand. So group A we have 89 people. Group B.
Yes.
Okay. Now I get it.
Now, so for me to know if my data is correct,
Mm-hmm.
now I created a variable sum, and this code where I used to where I got all this data, I now sum it using the dot sum. Now it gave me 1000 to show that my data is correct.
Okay. So the 1,000 is sum total of all the groups, all the numbers
Yes,
in.
yes. And remember, our data set is 1000.
Yes.
So this is how we did it. Okay. And now, okay, now let's see. Let's work with our data again. Okay. So let me plot this. Now I want to plot this. Please, I want you to follow me and see what I'm doing. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now I want to see my data again. DF. Now this is my data, and let me plot. Let me plot this, and I'll name this uh, total group, total total group. So now this is our total group, and I want to visualize it. That's why I created the variable name, so that when I'm visualizing, I will not make an error. Yeah. So let me visualize this data using Python, our Seaborn, or using our Python. So and how we're going to do this? Let's see. Let's work with data. So and I'm going to use the total. I'm going to use the total group. Then I will fix it. No, I will not fix a head. Okay, and let's do this. Okay. And please, the noise is disturbing. Okay, please, the noise is
Yeah,
disturbing.
that's how I just mute it now. Someone came in. But I'm following. I'm following. Let's go.
So now, and remember our index here, how we can index. So I want to index this role. So I want to index this role, then I'll plot the role. When I plot it, and okay, now I'm going to, okay, let's plot 0, plot 0, dots, let's say plot, I'm plotting it now. Say kind, then I'll use, let's see bar charts, then I'll come down, say plc dot show. The show will display just like as we have print. So so now he said the ints, okay,
I said the integer have no
okay.
attribute to plot.
Let's see, Instagram, I'm coming. I'm just test running. Okay, and uh, okay, let's see this if it's our ethnicity. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I hope I've run our Seaborn and matplots. Let me run this, okay? I've not run it.
Yeah, I believe that's why it's giving you that error.
Now, okay, I believe now it's not the import again. So let's see if this is this, okay. So let me see the info of this. Let me see the info of this so that I'll know what is the column's name. Okay, okay. Mm, serial name is none. So let's see this. Let's see none. Wow. Okay, now let me see how I can manually visualize it. Okay, let me see this. So they have different ways to go about it. I don't know what this column's name is. Now, since I don't know what the column name is, I can look for how I can go over it. So plots. Mm, okay. Okay. Now let's see this. Are you seeing it?
Yep. Okay.
This is supposed to give me this, and let's see this. Oh, wow. I hope you are seeing it.
Yep.
So I'll change it to bar. So I walked through the errors that was showing me. I wanted to use the name of the column grouped by the other column, the integer column. I noticed that the column was not named. If you see, the ethnicism race was named, and this was not named. I hope you understand what I'm explaining.
Yes.
So now the system automatically generates a name for it, which is none, and I cannot use that none. So I have to plot directly uh, with the variable's name, which is total group. So when I plot it, and I will select any kind of graph I want to use. So this is how I go over it. Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Now this explain it very well for us, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
The level. Look at it. And group A has the lowest, and group C has the highest. So we have explained it very well. So I believe you see the visualization aspects here,
Mm-hmm.
and it look nice, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So now we want to work on this data, just as I said earlier. We want to create a total sum. Let's see our sum. Now we are going to say df dot. We are going to create a new column. We are creating a new column. Then we are naming the column um, sum. Okay, we are naming it sum. Then equal to. Then we are saying df mass score plus go about it. Okay, please don't be confused. Okay, you can
Okay.
use your hello.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm following up. I'm following up.
Yeah, they have other straight code to do it. So in Python have diverse way of arriving to a particular result. Okay.
Hello. 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 Can you hear me? Hello?
your column's name is not corresponding with your code you are writing, it will produce an error. I hope you know.
I know. But your line was breaking. I was saying hello, hello. I didn't hear what you said.
Oh, it's network, okay? It's network. Now this is our data. This is the data we just added and a column. So it's loading. Um, I don't know why it's taking time to load. Hello?
Yeah, probably it's
Hello?
your network.
Okay.
Probably it's your network.
It's loading. It's loading. I think it's trying to connect. Connect. Look at it. It's trying to connect. The network should not misbehave. Oh.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So I have to restart it. I'm restarting it now. So it's restarting it. So wow. If I restart it again, everything we have to cancel. Okay, now it's working now. So let me save first. Let me save it. Okay, let me run this. Okay, say df not defined. Oh, I have to run everything again. Wow, I have to run everything again. Fuck. So now this is the data. this is me running everything again. Now, ah, so why? Google Collab is just frustrating this mind.
Yeah, I'm sure it's because of the network.
So let's stay patient and let me run everything again on my own end. Okay, we are going to arrive very soon. Do you know that what I'm doing is not saving?
Oh,
Look at it, savings feeds since 8:05. I'll try to see. I don't know if my cloud storage is full. So I don't know if I will subscribe again. So let's see. After this class, I have to check it now. Did you see the simplicity of Python
mm-hmm.
and how we can analyze data easily using a simple code to analyze millions of data? No. Okay. Now, so, and I hope you hear what I said.
I heard you.
Okay. Now,
Just like your voice keep going and coming,
we,
coming.
yes, and I'm finding it difficult. So I'm getting an error. So let me read it. Mass score. Okay. Let's see the mass score. Let me copy this. I don't know why. Why? Okay. I think this was supposed to be added now. Let me run this again. Ah, still the same network. I have to collab and open it again. Okay.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Your
So
voice keep going
let's
and coming.
patient.
I didn't hear you well. I swear.
I so you are hearing me now.
Hello.
You can hear me now.
Hello.
Yes, I said you can hear me now.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I hear you now. Get it now.
So I'm trying to log in again my Google Colab. I guess my Google Colab is kind of malfunctioning, and that's why we are not working with it any longer. So let's stay patient. Now I hope you are seeing the screen.
It's loading.
Hello.
Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay. I'm connecting. Oh, you see where it started from. All the things I've done, that's wiped off. So, and I'm not going to go over again. So I want to go to the part where we want to analyze our data. Okay.
Okay.
So let me drop this columns was not dropped. So let me drop this column. Okay, the column was dropped. So let me move. So I have to run everything. So we are waiting for it to run.
Suppose is the project ready?
Which project?
The one that you said you're gonna give me.
Yeah, after our training, after this
Okay.
training, after this training, we are going to go over to see the project I will share to you. Okay, and okay, I don't really know why this Google Colab is taking time and kind of frustrating.
Google Colab deal with internet. So if your internet is slow, it's gonna be slow.
But we are on virtual class now, so you can hear me
Yeah.
and we can interact. But this web server is not working. So we are on the same network. Okay, I think now it's working now. It's working. It's working. It's working. Okay, and I want to I want to open it to another web browser to see if it's working there. Then we can continue. Okay.
Okay.
And let me open it on the um, um, web browser. Oh, it might be Google that is down. We never can tell.
Possibly.
So I think it was functioning well before we are having these issues. And this issue is not just loading everything. It stopped saving my files and not working. Okay, so can you refresh your own? Can you refresh your network? Can you load your network if the Google Colab is working?
Second.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, wait, let me load my. Hello? Hello?
I can hear you. I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you. Is it loading?
Sure. Let me go on everything again.
Is your Google Colab working?
I think so. Mine is working, yeah.
Okay, yours is working.
Yes.
Have you been practicing with me so that we can continue from there? I'll just direct you through what you will do.
The thing, I was just following the class. After that, I watched the video lectures because my computer was down. I forgot to charge it last night.
Okay. No problem. No problem. Okay, and so let's see this. If Hello, hello.